the simple jumps. So let's get start. So we have a problem 212, okay, 212 plus 140. So we will use the jump method. This is a great because it keeps the number organized and helps us to avoid the mistakes. So let's start. So first we need to start with the beginning. Is 212 here. Okay, 212 at the very beginning, the left side of our open number line. This is our starting point. So now let's look at the number 140, okay, that we want to add in this number line. So let's expand this 140 number. So that is 100. If you get confused, 4 at the tens place, so that's why it's 40. So we have ones place, no number. So let's start. So here we are going to make the first jump, the 100 jump. What is the jump? 100. So if we will jump like 100, okay, we are going to add 100 here. So that will be easy to add. So if you will add 212 plus 100, it will be 312. So is it easy for you? Now the tens jumps. What is that at the tens place? It's 40. Add 4 tens. So we can make one medium hop plus 40. Okay. So let's start from here and let's make a medium hop. That will be plus 40. So when we are going to hop for the 40, if we add 4 in 1, okay, then it will become, if we will add 4 here, then it will be 5. So what will be the number we are going to get? It's 352. Okay, so that's our number 352. Now check the ones place. On the ones place there is the number 0. So we don't need to make any hop. We are already at our destination. So if someone will ask you what will be the answer, so it's 212 plus 140 is 352. Okay, is it good? Now you got it. Can you get the cross the next challenge? Let me give you one more challenge. Okay, if I will say you 300 plus 592, what will be the answer? Can you comment down your answers? Or we can, if you find any doubt, then we are going to discuss in the next lesson. Thank you. Don't forget to like and